Both our human reproductive systems aim at doing the same thing, which is make a baby. And we have different we put in, it's like cooking, but it's different since you don't use a stove or anything else. After the males are done with their reproductive system cycle, they end up with what's called a sperm. And the females, when they're done with their reproductive cycle, they end up with an egg. And both our reproductive systems are built similar, but they aim to do something totally different. Like, females are built to house the baby for the upcoming 9 months. And males are just... we're just there for the sperm. Sperm is made inside the testes, which then travel through the penis tubes, which is called the vas deferens, which then travels to the seminal vesicle, and then travels to another tube called the urethra, which then exits out the penis by the head and the pee hole, which most people call it, and the scientific name for the pee hole is the meatus. And when a male gets an erection, it means he's being physically stimulated, and signals from his brain go down to his penis and tell the penis to bring up more blood, which makes the penis erect. And ejaculation is the process which the sperm exits the penis. Sperm and semen are similar, but they're made for different functions. Both sperm and semen that came out wrong. Okay. So so you get the whole point. So both of these are fluids. Both of these are fluids, and they're clear. They're clear, sticky fluids. And sperm contains, sperm contains sperm. The reason the body makes semen, the reason the male body makes semen is to clear out any urine, any leftover urine in the penis tubes. And a lot of the popular question about semen is, can it get you pregnant? Well, semen, since it can pick up urine, leftover urine in the penis, it can also pick up leftover sperm in the penis, making the same high chance you would have of getting pregnant if you did not use a condom or any kind of contraceptive, which we'll talk about later. To recap, sperm and semen are similar, but they're both made for different reasons, and at the end they both work for the same reason, I guess. The reproductive system in females, it works differently, and how it works is, after a certain time a female enters their menstrual cycle, their ovaries release an egg, which then travels down to the fallopian tube, through the fallopian tube, into the uterus. It's like by the endometrium, which would be right here. And so the egg stays there until a sperm comes and fertilizes it. And so a lot of people are wondering, how does a penis get in a vagina, and how does the vagina makes the penis fit in there? Well, vagina is it's a very stretchy part of the female reproductive system. and it adjusts to the length of the penis. And after, or no, I mean during an erection, when a man and woman has sexual intercourse, the penis releases the sperm, which goes into the uterus, and if there's an egg, it fertilizes it and it becomes an embryo, and then you just have to wait 9 months. Then 9 months for the baby to grow and develop. And meanwhile, the baby is going to be inside the uterus, not the stomach, inside the uterus for 9 months. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and during the process of the ovaries releasing an egg, that whole process is called ovulation. And that's how the reproductive system in females work.